I'm a second grade teacher at Bellmont Elementary School. I got involved with the Hoosier Pattern iron pour actually last year. It was something Amanda Lohr, she's my co-teacher, and she's like, hey, they're doing this thing, it's for free, you know, we get to do a scratch mold. We went to Hoosier Pattern and actually made a scratch mold and did the workshop.
Well, Hoosier Pattern, we've partnered with them for my second grade classroom, and we went ahead and did a scratch mold for them, and they had a great presentation that came in.
So we have to scratch mold it, and then they pour the hot iron in, and then they let it sit for one night, and then it's all done.
After we were done with this, Amanda and I both looked at each other and said, why don't we bring this to Bellmont?
We scratched in a butterfly that we had been practicing in class over and over.
I wanted to make it super deep. I didn't do that on the antennas, but I think that one was the deepest, most successful. I was pretty amazed.
We had already kind of asked Keith if he'd be willing to partner with our second graders. It was really nice that Keith also had asked Darlene Vassell, she was a former art teacher and she works with the Hive, to kind of help and do like a mini lesson. That helped tremendously.
We got to go and watch them actually pour the iron into the mold that they did, and they got to take home an awesome casting with them.
We took like a nail and we put it in the sand. We had to dig the same spot sometime over and over again, so then whenever they poured the stuff in, it would stick out.
They loved it. They loved the fact that they had these safety glasses. They loved that they were, you know, scratching in a butterfly, because that's what we told them. So then they saw their molds, and then we invited all of the second graders to the iron pour, and then the next day got to come pick up their piece at the Decatur Sculpture Tour. And I think the coolest thing for them was adults coming up to them and saying, you guys did these? You guys did so good. They were a part of that tour.
The best part of the whole experience was seeing our children's faces light up when they got to experience this, and then also when they picked up their casting, because they were so excited to have that piece of artwork to take back with them.
Right here, I made sunflowers. I made like little like lightning bolts down here. I was going to try to do the face, but I was like, that's gonna be too hard.
It's really fun. That is really exciting to do.
It's really fun. I think you would enjoy it. I've done it a few times in my life. It's really fun.
I just want to say thank you to Hoosier Pattern. They worked awesome with us. It was a great experience, and we hope to do it again.
So it was an amazing experience, and I'm so thankful Keith was willing to take a chance on Amanda and I's crazy idea, like, let's do this with second graders.
It's really fun, and plus it's really cool because the end result, it looks like it's like coming out at you.